In this episode, I'm going to share with you the construction cost of a new house build by percentages, right? So, for example, one of them is interior finishes, right? That's about 25% of the cost. These percentages are based on the average construction cost of a typical single family home of about $296,000. So $296,000 home, these are the percentages of what each item comprises of, if you will, okay? So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm gonna go from the biggest percentage to the lowest. Now, the highest one is 25.4% is interior finishes, okay? This is about $75,350, okay? So for interior finishes of a new house build. Next one is framing of a home. You know what framing is, right? It's when they put up the walls, they put up the sticks, right? The wood 2x4s and all that, and you know, the roof and all that, okay? That's framing. That's about $51,600, 17.4% by the way. Next one is major system rough ins. That came in at 14.7% of the total cost of, again, the $296,000 home. That cost is about $43,600. The next one is exterior finishes, your brick, your siding, your the wood that they put up, the finishes, the exterior finishes. That came in at 14.1% of the total cost. The cost was about $41,800, okay? A lot of numbers I'm throwing at you, but bear with me on this, okay? It's very interesting, I feel. So, next one is 11.8% of that $296,000 home went to the foundation of the home, averaging about $35,000. The foundation, think basement, crawl space. Obviously, crawl space might be cheaper, but pretty much the foundation of the home. Next one is the final steps of the new house build. Came in at about 6.7% of the total cost, averaging around $19,800. Second to last is the site work. All right, the work that they do on the site is about 6.2% of the total cost, and you're talking about $18,400 in cost. The last one is this little cushion that builders put in there. They call it other costs, and it's about 3.7%. Pretty interesting. It's a lot of information I threw at you, but you know, these are how those costs are actually divvied out, right? Percentage wise. Obviously, the biggest one is the interior finishes, which was like almost 26% of the total cost. Okay, 25.4%. This information is courtesy of the National Association of Home Builders. I hope you found this interesting. Share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about new house builds in general? Do you think they're way expensive? Do you think they're worth it? Have you purchased a new home build? Share that in the comments. Otherwise, I appreciate you watching.